60,000 people's hard work last 45 years. First, my gurus and Guru Parampara gave me the Paramadvaita Anubhuti, Paramashiva himself, from Paramashiva himself, and all the Shastra Pramana, scriptures we received, and all the Apta Pramana, my Guru's experiences, the elders' experiences we received, and my own Atma Pramana, which Paramashiva gave. And when I transmitted this Atma Pramana to my devotees and disciples, their Sakshi Pramana, their experiences, and all these put together, the Pratyaksha Pramana of the science, everything we compiled it into this as Nityananda AI.